Aku aja nggak apa-apa, Pit.
Ya udah di record tuh.
Mulai ya. Halo, kedengeran nggak suara aku?
Iya, kedengeran.
Putus-putus.
Putus.
Putus. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 6 and we will explain about this, and the member group is Dwi Handayani, Fitra Aulia, Dara Pangesti. Explanation by me. Error analysis fail to predicate the majority of learners' error. Even though this important aspect has disappointed language transfer studies. This is that many learner errors are generated by incorrect learners. About the new language rules being learned, in addition, error analysis distinguishes error and error unsystematic. Error learners do not the rules of the target language. Error occurs because learners have actually walked the rules, but there are mistakes in the thinking or mistake of the tongue when showing analysis of language error can be the mistakes of students who are learning language. In practice, error analysis is except provides a complete description of the mistake made by the learner. So, the truth is complete information will provide meaningful pedagogical benefits for function, namely the theoretical function and the practical function. The implementation by taking 5 samples of students. Pay attention to data and how to classify error analysis has several stages, namely, and the first, collecting of the sample, and 2, identification of the error, explanation of the error, classification of the error, and the last evaluation of the error. And the presenter will then explain the following 5 examples of error analysis based on the procedure shown in the diagram above. Okay, next presenter. Selanjutnya.
I was born in Jakarta, August 2, 1988. Error classification as a word. Jadi seharusnya setelah Jakarta ditambahkan on menjadi I was born in Jakarta on August 2, 1988. I'm oldest in my family. Error classification as a word. Menjadi I am the oldest in my family. His name is Johan. He is 15 years old. Error classification, capitalization, and as a word. Seharusnya menggunakan H kapital. Jadi his name is Johan menggunakan H kapital dan ditambahkan kata N menjadi and he is 15 years old. My hobbies are write poem, listen to radio, error classification, word from, add a word, and article. Menjadi my hobbies are writing poem, listening to radio. My father get many parcels from Sostro. Error classification, word from singular, plural, and capitalization. The word Sostro must use capital letter. Menjadi S yang menggunakan kapital because it is the name of company. I interested in join reading poem competition. Error classification, add a word, word from, and article. Error correction menjadi I was interested in joining a reading poem competition. English is very necessary. Error classification, word choice. Menjadi English is very important. And the last, when I was senior high school. Error classification, add a word. Menjadi when I was in senior high school. I think that's all for me. Dan dilanjutkan oleh Dwi Handayani.
Fit belum muncul. Okay, now next example is the one I ever dance on the stage in Independence Day. Error classification is word choice and word from. Or error correction is I ever dance on the stage on Independence Day. Jadi yang in di sebelah stage itu diganti dengan on. And then the second, I play the doll with my friends in my free time. Error classification is article. And error correction is I play a doll with my friends in my free time. Jadi yang the doll itu diganti dengan a doll. Next, I want to work at embassy company. Error classification is article. And then error correction is I want to work at an embassy. At yang di sebelah work itu diganti dengan an. Next example is when I was a child, I used to play jump rope and hit and seek with my school's friends. Classification, error classification is a word from and omit a word. And error correction is when I was a child, I used to play jump rope and hit and seek with my school friends. Hit yang berada di sebelah and seek itu diganti dengan hid. Yang kalau yang di titik pertama itu adalah bersembunyi. Kalau yang hide ini adalah menyembunyikan, lebih tepatnya dengan hide. And then after I finish my study in here, I plan to get to other university in continue my study and also get a job in other two. Error classification is a verb tense, word choice, and incomplete sentence. And then error correction is after I finish my study in here, I plan to go to another university to continue my study in order to get a job. I think that's all for me. Next presentation by Fitra Audara.
Okay, the next example from student number 4. Next bit. The first sentence is, I'm a second from my family. And error classification is article, word choice. And the right sentence is, I'm the second in my family. Because they use article a, should, the, because it is used for cardinal number. And the use of preposition in is the right preposition rather than from, because it has the meaning in a family. And the second sentence is, my parents, both my mother and my father work. Error classification are omit a word and word order. And the right sentence is, both my parents work. Because first, my mother and my father are not used anymore, because there is the word my parents, which has the meaning both my father and my mother. And in this sentence, besides it needs omission of phrase, it also needs to be in a good structure of word order. And the third sentence is, when I was in 6 years old. Error classification is omit a word. And the right sentence is, when I was 6 years old. And the fourth sentence is, when I was a child, I am a very bad girl. Error classification are verb tense and article. And the right sentence is, when I was a child, I was a very bad girl. Because kata am pada kalimat tersebut harusnya was, karena kalimat itu merupakan bentuk past tense. And the fifth sentence is, I always followed them like played football, fishing, and played with the other boys. Error classification is word form. And the right sentence is, I always followed them like playing football, fishing, and playing with the other boys. Because the word played must playing, because they are function as ground, verb in form function as noun. And the sixth sentence is, I like played with my brother, sleep, read in my free time. And the error classification are word from and at a word. And the right sentence is, I like playing with my brother, sleeping, reading a book in my free time. Because verb at that sentence must add ing at the back verb, because they are function as ground. In this sentence needs addition of word a book for clearly what they are reading. And the last sentence, blank blank blank, and my hobbies are sing, read, jogging, shopping, and etc. Error classification is word from. And the right sentence is blank blank blank, and my hobbies are singing, reading, jogging, shopping, and etc. Because the word sing and read must singing and reading because they are function as ground. Okay, the next presenter is Fitra.
Okay, I will explain the error from student 5. The first is, my father is an officer and my mother is a housewife. The error classification is article. And the correct sentence is, my father is an officer and my mother is a housewife. Okay, next sentence is, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. And the error classification is singular plural and capitalization. The correct sentence is, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. Jadi harus ditambahin huruf S di belakang kata sister. Karena merujuk kepada 2 orang. Lebih dari 1 orang. The third sentence is, when I was senior high school, I lived in my own house, but just 1 year. The error classification is add a word, spelling, and singular plural. And the correct sentence is, when I was in senior high school, I lived in my own house, but just 1 year. Jadi harus ditambahkan kata in di belakang kata was. Dan di kata 1 year tidak perlu ditambahin huruf S karena itu hanya merujuk ke angka 1 doang. Gitu. The next sentence is blank 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 because we have boarding house. So my father asked me to live in our boarding house. The error classification is article and word form. The correction sentence is blank blank blank. Because we have a boarding house, so my father asked me to live in our boarding house. Okay, the next sentence is, some interesting when I was a child. I used to go to mall with my friends and swimming, and sometimes I run or jogging, and in free time I used to sleep and sometimes listen music. The error classification is add a word and word form. The correction is, some interesting things. When I was a child, I used to go to mall with my friends and go swimming, and sometimes I ran or jogged, and in free time I used to sleep and sometimes listen to music. And the last sentence is, I didn't continue my study after I finished secondary school. The error classification is word form. And the error correction is, I didn't continue my study after I finished secondary school. Oke, akan dilanjutkan oleh presenter selanjutnya. Silakan kepada presenter selanjutnya.
Next, Pit.
in writing below. And the first error classification is singular and plural. There is any error in the example in student number 1 and student number 5, and with percent 7.6%. And the next is word from, and all students have error classification but word from with percent 19.2%. And the next is word choice. Only student number 5 that with percent 15.3%. And verb tense, student number 3 and 4 have error classification about verb tense with a percent 7.6%. And add a word, student number 1 and number 4 and 5, they have error classification about add a word with percent 11.5%. And the next is omit a word. Student number 3 and 4 have error classification about omit a word with presentation of 7.6%. And the next is word order. Only students number 4 that have error classification with percentage 3.8%. And the next is incomplete sentence. Only student number 3 with percent 3.8%. And capitalization, only student number 1 and 5 with percentage 7.6%. And about article, there is only student number 2, 4, and 5 that have error classification about article with 11.5%. And spelling, student number 4 and so about spelling, only student number 5 that have error classification about spelling with 3.8%. And there is no unclear meaning in students. And from the calculation of error, analysis of students' writing, word from is in the first rank with 18.2% and followed by word choice with 15.3%, and article and add a word with 11.5%, omit a word, singular, plural, verb tense, and capitalization with 7.6%, word order and incomplete sentence 3.8%, and the least error is on meaning not clear, that is 100%. That's about recapitulation of students' writing error.
Udah ya, Riz?
Udah.
Okay, thank you for attention. This is explanation from our group, and if any question, if anyone to ask, please raise your hand or speak. Okay, thank you.
Oke, thank you Resti. Izin bertanya Resti.
Iya, Ayu.
Pertanyaan saya di sini, mengapa kita perlu mengklasifikasikan error itu sendiri, dan apa yang terjadi jika kita menganalisis error tapi tanpa kita klasifikasikan terlebih dahulu, begitu?
Dayu.
Resti, izin bertanya.
Oke.
Itu saja, Resti. Thank you.
Oke, thank
Oke, my name is Satya
Baik, terima kasih
Prastini.
Ayut.
Oke, udah?
Yes, ya, silakan Arti.
Udah artinya.
Silakan.
I'm Artia Prastiwi, and I want to ask about based on your explanation, based on your experience, menurut kamu menurut kalian ya, salah satu dari kalian aja, kesalahan apa yang sering kalian perbuat dalam error analysis? Maksudnya dalam membuat makalah nih, pasti ada nih kesalahan-kesalahan yang kalian buat. Nah, itu tuh masuk ke apakah lebih banyak ke kesalahan singular plural atau word form atau word choice, ya? Terus apa penyebabnya?
Oke, baik.
Artia, thank you.
Ya, terima kasih untuk pertanyaannya.
Anytime.
Ya, silakan yang lain. Ada pertanyaan?
Resti, izin bertanya.
Ya, silakan.
Kan di sini error kan diklasifikasikan tuh. Nah, coba sih, karena aku belum begitu paham ya, apa sih yang dimaksud kayak, bisa nggak jelasin ulang kayak model singular plural, word form, word choice, verb tense, add a word, omit a word, word order, incomplete sentence, capitalization, article, spelling, itu kesalahannya yang gimana? Terus cara mengatasinya itu gimana? Udah, itu aja.
Oke. Terima kasih Cici pertanyaannya.
Ya.
Baik. Sudah cukup 3 aja ya teman-teman?
Yeah, I think enough.
Oke. Baik, akan kami jawab segera karena sedang kami diskusikan jawaban dari pertanyaan dari kalian semua. Oke, terima kasih.
Baiklah.
Sudah.
Udah, Res. Mbak Artia, aku mau jawab pertanyaan kamu.
Iya, Res.
Kalau menurut kelompok kita itu biasanya itu kita banyak kesalahan itu di dalam idiom sama grammar. Ya, kalau grammar itu kan udah jelas tuh dia ada 16 grammar. Nah, kadang kita itu suka kebalik-balik atau ada yang present continuous atau past tense. Jadi kita tuh kayak misalnya kok melihat suatu teks itu kita harus analisis dulu tuh biar tahu ini tuh teks present atau past tense. Itu kan kadang kita suka walik-walik, kebalak-balik gitu kan. Habis itu yang kedua itu ada idiom. Nah, idiom ini menurut kelompok kita yang juga biasanya sering kita lakukan kesalahan tuh. Misalnya ada contoh kalau di bahasa Inggris hot potato, dalam bahasa Indonesia artinya kentang panas. Nah, sebenarnya artinya itu pembicaraan mengenai isu yang sedang hangat diperbincangkan. Kayak gitu Mbak Artia. Cukup.
Oh, jadi gitu. Itu yang paling sering
Halo Mbak Artia.
sering dilakuin, maksudnya sering kesalahan itu tuh di grammar sama idiom.
Iya,
Oh, iya.
idiom. Menurut kita itu.
Karena apa? Karena sulit buat ngidentifikasi itu
Artia.
tadi. Ha,
Iya, kalau
udah,
grammar kan
makasih.
16 tuh. Kita pasti
Iya.
kadang suka lupa. Kalau kita benar-benar enggak ini, kita sering walik-walik gitu.
Heeh. Makasih Resti.
Iya.
Ya. Udah.
Saya akan menjauh. Fitra, Udah belum?
Udah.
Saya akan menjawab pertanyaan dari Cici Krisnawan.
Iya, Umi.
Untuk pemilihan kata, bisa diartikan sebagai pemilihan kata dalam sebuah perkataan atau pembuatan kalimat. Kapitalisasi adalah pemberian huruf besar pada huruf pertama suatu kata dan huruf kecil pada huruf-huruf selanjutnya. Untuk mengatasi kesalahan dalam penggunaan kapital, bisa mengaktifkan fitur autocorrect option di Microsoft Word. Jadi biar otomatis gitu, nggak salah-salah. Untuk singular noun digunakan untuk benda yang jumlahnya 1. Contohnya untuk pencegahan kesalahannya mungkin harus mengerti vocabulary yang banyak sama
Waduh, Zoom gue stres deh nih.
Jadi kita tuh harus tahu apa aja ini harus tahu tentang pilihan katanya yang tepat buat berbagai macam teks. Misal dalam makalah pemilihan katanya itu kan harus, kalau makalah kan biasanya pemilihan katanya harus keilmiahan. Terus kalau terus biasanya pakai kata formal kan. Jadi biar kita bisa bedain pas nganalisis itu, misal kita ketemu nih di makalah atau di jurnal apa gitu, ada error bagian pilihan kata yang salah. Kan kita tahu nih kalau misalnya di jurnal, kalau biasanya di jurnal kan pakainya kata yang bersifat ilmiah atau kata yang formal-formal gitu. Nah, ternyata ada kalau kita udah paham tentang pilihan kata, Begitupun kalau tentang tentang huruf kapital. Nah, itu yang paling enak kan, kalau huruf kapital kan kita udah tahu sedikit banyaknya rata-rata udah tahu lah, karena kan kalau huruf kapital emang kayak nama. Sih kalau mau analisis kayak gitu, kita tuh harus tahu apa-apa aja yang apa-apa unsur yang biasa dianalisis gitu, Ci.
Oke, makasih Artia.
Iya, sama-sama.
Oke, baiklah. Saya akan menjawab pertanyaan dari Ayu Tiffany. Kesalahan dalam apa tadi pertanyaan? Maaf, Ayu, tadi saya lupa pertanyaannya.
Pertanyaannya, kenapa kita perlu mengklasifikasikan error gitu loh. Nah, apa yang terjadi jika kita menganalisis error itu tanpa
mengklasifikasikannya. Oke. Oke, baik. Saya akan menjawab pertanyaan dari Ayu. Kita perlu mengklasifikasikan error dari siswa tersebut agar kita tahu di mana letak kesalahan dalam penulisannya dan bisa membenarkannya lewat klasifikasi tersebut. Dan juga kalau tidak diklasifikasikan, kita tidak akan tahu seberapa banyak dan seberapa sering kesalahan itu dibuat oleh si siswa tersebut, begitu. Ya, mungkin ada tambahan dari teman-teman.
Oh, jadi dia itu bisa mempermudah juga, terus biar bisa jadi indikator sebenarnya error mana sih yang sering dilakukan sama siswa gitu ya?
Nah, ya kurang lebih begitu. Jadi kita bisa tahu nih siswa yang ini lebih sering melakukan kesalahan yang apa gitu. Dan belum tentu siswa yang satunya lagi itu lebih sering melakukan kesalahan yang sama atau tidak gitu.
Oh, iya. Oke.
Gimana teman-teman?
identify error sama classification the error itu sama nggak sih? Gitu. Identify sama
Gimana?
Enggak loh, tadi kan kayak kita supaya tahu si siswa tuh, ya kan? Kalau nggak salah tadi.
Suaranya putus-putus, Ibu Ayu. Maaf, ulangin lagi dong.
Oh ya udah, cukup Pit. Terima kasih.
Oke, ya. Maaf, Bu Ayu.
Nggak apa-apa.
Baik, moderator, apakah ini mau nutup? Bagaimana? Ya, saya kembalikan kepada moderator.
Ya, udah Pit. Dan semoga jawaban kita membantu. Sekian dari kelompok kami. Bila ada
Maaf, Bu Resti. Ya, ilahi ta'ala. Oke,
Assalamualaikum
sekian.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.